Hey, what up, y'all? It's Artez with Tag Pressure Wash. Man, this it's been a pretty cool day. I had a job earlier. I was rushing a vet's house. They won my raffle I had on Veterans Day, and while I was wrapping up that job, the realtor reached out to me that I follow on Instagram. So she reached out to me, said she had a client that's listing the house and wanted a quote for like the driveway and for house cleaning. So this is the house in the back. And so we walked around the property. So I gave her a separate quote, gave her a quote for the walkway, and then this driveway, crazy. And the driveway all the way down there. But it sounded like the seller just want to focus on this mold on this column, the gutters, knocking down those little brown things, cleaning this up, some mold, some algae buildup over here. And so pretty nice ticket. It shouldn't take me that long. I'm grateful, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the process, and stay tuned. I just realized that the camera fell down because of the wind. gonna go ahead and throw in the walkway. They just wanted the siding, some of the siding done, but why not just throw in the walkway? Hey, what's up, y'all? So I got caught up. I didn't even do like a little post recap video to show y'all like the end results. But I'll put like before and after pictures like somewhere in here in the video so you can see. But I'm not gonna tell you the specific amount of money I made, but let's just say since I started my business, this is the most amount of money I made in the least amount of time. And I don't think, you know, I didn't get over on this person. I did really good work, but I'm really grateful. I didn't even know this job wasn't even scheduled today. She just reached out to me. I was doing another job earlier and I stopped by. So I went back home after I finished up that job, the first job from earlier, and I got more chemical because just in case, you know, the realtor through the seller or the seller through the realtor was wanting the work done today, I just wanted to make sure I had more than enough gas, chemical, everything to get the job done, which I'm grateful I did. But yeah, y'all, like, realtor was super nice, young lady. So I got everything done. It was basically like the gutters, the front kind of window sill, the brick column. Again, you will see some of those before and after pictures. The garage, it stained pretty good. I lightened it up the best way I could. And then I threw in the walkway too. You see a picture right here. Threw in the walkway because I quoted them for the driveway, the walkway, and for everything as far as the house, but they just settled on the house. And so I just did the walkway as a kind gesture. A couple hiccups. One, my pump-up sprayer, the wine attachment, the silver, the thing that you hold, the wine attachment. I thought it was like stainless, you know, but apparently the chemical I had in the pump-up sprayer corroded the wine, so it's small holes of chemical poking out. You could probably see that in the earlier the video, but I'm just like the timing is never ideal, so I gotta send that wine back or just reach out to Amazon, because that was like literally my second time using it and it didn't last. But regardless, y'all, I'm really excited. I'm excited about the day. It was a good day. Made some money. I did a free job, didn't make anything on that, you know, which that was fine. You know, I would have been cool with that, but then ended up making some money on the back end through the realtor. So the biggest thing I can say, just being persistent, you know, posting on social media, reaching out, stepping out by faith, doing crazy things, you know, but the worst people could do is say no. But if they don't see your work, you know, if I'm not being consistent, then nobody's going to see my work. And so definitely grateful. Again, if you made it this far in this video, I appreciate you. You're a real one. Thanks for coming along the journey. Until next time, take care.